This property features an attractive unit mix of spacious 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, single-story units.
We made it to the city of Montebello. Mary here again with Southern California Apartment Group. I'm joined by Sean Charbechian, the listing agent behind this incredible new portfolio sale. Sean, we just hit the market with this 6-property portfolio, multiple cities, 47 units, and all operating under the AB 1482. No local reg control. I know you're excited about this one.
Yes, very much so, Mary. Okay, here we are in Montebello. This is property 3 of 6. These are 6 units in Montebello. Let's go take a closer look.
This property features an attractive unit mix of spacious 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, single-story units, each offering approximately 888 square feet of comfortable living space. First time being offered for sale in over a decade, this well-maintained asset sits on a large 15,544 square foot corner lot with garage parking and a desirable building layout. With strong in-place rents, a clear rental upside potential, the property also includes a laundry room, generating additional income along with multiple ADU opportunities for future expansion. Each unit is equipped with its own water heater and is separately metered for gas and electricity, providing operational efficiency for ownership. Conveniently located near a nearby shopping center with major retailers, residents also enjoy close proximity to the Montebello Food Hall on Whittier Boulevard and the Citadel Outlets, offering a wide variety of dining, shopping, and entertainment options. The property also benefits from easy access to the 60, 710, 5, and 605 freeways connecting to major employment hubs across Los Angeles County. And importantly, the property is subject to AB 1482 only with no local rent control, providing investors with added flexibility. This is a rare opportunity to acquire a well-positioned asset in a high-demand rental market.
Wow, what a gorgeous property, 6 units in Montebello.
Yes, all right, now it's time to go. Let's take a look at the next one, which is 11 units right up the street.